Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today I am so excited because I'm gonna make one of my favorite porridge, which is peanut porridge. So this is all the ingredients that I will be using. I'll be using 4 coconut cream, salt, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and a condensed milk, and vanilla, of course. And also we'll be using peanut, 4 of these peanut. Hi guys, so as you can see, the peanut that I buy is a bit salt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place it in the water and just change the water like 3 times. So I just put it on a stove and this water will be changed 3 times. You don't have to get the salt peanut, but I choose this one. You can also get the unsalted one, but if you do get the salt one, you just change the water until the peanut became unsalted. So hi guys, so I put the peanut in the blender because I'm gonna blend it all up. So I'm gonna just put all the ingredients in the blender. I'm just gonna put the milk, coconut milk, just a mix coconut milk, so I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla seasoning and 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder and 3 spoonful of vanilla. So hi guys, all the ingredients is in the blender, so I'm just gonna blend it all up. So hi guys, so after you finish blend it, this is how it should look. It should be all smooth. Make sure no peanut is left, everything all blend out. Yeah. Hi guys, so the pot is hot, so I'm just gonna put the peanut in the pan. Please do not turn up your stove high. Make sure your stove is on medium because you don't want the peanut to burn. And just stir, just continue to just stir it. Just keep stirring guys, just keep stir it. If yours is too thick, you just need, all you do, you just add a bit more coconut cream to it until it became like this. But just continue to stir. So hi guys, I'm just gonna add some more of the cinnamon powder in there and some nutmeg also because I want it to be, you know, flavorful. And I'm also gonna put some more of the vanilla, some more vanilla in there also. Maybe that around 2 spoonful. Yeah. Remember your salt as well, just a teaspoon of salt. So hi guys, I will be cooking it for at least 25 minutes. The stove is on number 5, so it's pretty hot right now. Just continue to stir as you go along. Just keep stirring, because the peanut, it's easy to burn and you don't want the peanut to burn. So just continue to stir. So hi guys, it's all finished now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the condensed milk in the pan so it can become sweetened. I like mine sweet, not that sweet, but a bit sweet. It's nicer when it's sweetened. So I'm just gonna stir it. So hi guys, so the peanut porridge is finished now, and I'm telling you, it tastes so nice. My house right now smells so good of vanilla, cinnamon powder, and the nutmeg. Guys, please try this, and it's also very healthy. So I'm gonna put it on a plate for you guys, so you guys can see how it look on a plate. So hi guys, so this is the peanut porridge in the plate. I just garnish it with some nutmeg. You guys can also have crackers with it, and you can also have bread or dough bread or any bread you have. Just put it on the side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.